that it's always been all about you from the start. I met someone new last night and we kicked it, and I'm going back there tonight. And you know what's on my mind this time. Tonight, and you know what's on my mind. So if you had my love and I gave you all my trust, would you come?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So as y'all see in today's title, y'all already know what's going on in today's video, but I was told I needed to do an intro and my camera battery is literally about to die, so I kind of gotta like speed this up. But I just wanted to say hi, welcome to the new people. My name is Teddraaaj, of course, and if you're not new here, welcome back. But on today's video, y'all already know what's going on, but it's literally 12:35 in the morning and it's Friday, May 24th, and I'm starting this vlog the day of because I was just busy yesterday or whatever. But I'm gonna stop yapping before my camera battery dies on me. I want you guys to say hello to Mrs. Kitten. Yeah, hello Kitty, thank you. And I'm gonna see y'all later on today when I pick the camera back up. I think I'm gonna pick the camera back up in the morning if I wake up on time. If I don't wake up on time, I'm just gonna see y'all at school because I'm vlogging at school because we have an early release day, so I'm not gonna be in class that long or whatever. And also I got like kind of a busy day tomorrow. I mean later on today and tomorrow actually. So yeah, y'all just gonna see. So come along, come along, come along.
I cannot give you full credit unless you work here.
The teacher's talking.
Okay. Hi. You see?
Casey's about to give me a henna card. It's gonna be so cute, so tea.
I'll be there.
Look what Casey is.
Oh,
Hey y'all.
we gonna sign the whole city out, man. You know that. You know that.
That's ghetto.
What's up, y'all?
Guys, Kevin's in my class. What? Are you excited? Are you happy?
Of course. Why wouldn't I?
The vlog.
I got.
And I'm in Walmart with Talia. Hey, my mom and sister are up there, but that's not the point. Okay guys, so I'm over here in the body wash section because I'm looking. Leo versus smelling method. We got so much opinions on that right now, but that's not the point. Let me go back. Let me go get this Dove because
I got this.
Dove.
I ain't gonna lie, this smells good.
Let me see. Get it.
Hey y'all, back home. TT's doing her lashes. I'm staying here eating techies. Bye y'all.
Hi guys, so we're with Kai. Leah's over here. We have Nazir. Oh, and him too. Oh, her too. Oh no, you're not gonna be yelling on my camera. This not that. Just had to fix the lighting, guys. Go! Let's sit still. Let's sit still. Come on.
Everybody can get in the picture.
Yeah.
Back up on my bullshit, back up on the scene. Done dealing with you, don't know how to deal with me. Tell
but subscribe.
Yeah, it's real.
Got nothing to lose. I am on my own now.
Anyways, hi guys. So we left J3 house and we on the way to the marina. And yeah. Uh-oh, not the Lambo. Where is it? What Lambo? Bro. Yeah. Yes, I'm there. Yeah.
Look, say hi.
Hi vlog. My own vlog.
Call your boys, I'm getting about that. Faded up for you, too gorgeous, too important. Blue dream inside the roll up, hold up. Watch me go up, leave you so stuck. I'm back and I'm better, take me. Well, bitch, on my level, ain't no question. I'm a legend, baby. Don't ever be
You hear me? Y'all take one together.
Yeah, Queen Maya.
Details? Get into the details, y'all. Y'all, who fucking with Maya? Let me know. Who fucking with Maya right now?
Let me know. Let me know.
She look good too, y'all. She look good too.
This shit real life motion.
Brown County.
Yeah.
Live you too.
Shit real life motion.
Ooh, let me get to. Yeah.
You already know.
It's over. Guys, the lineup is over. We're currently walking, you know.
Guys, the lineup is over.
Some nigga got his chain took. He's
Yes,
hot.
and he hot, and his friends are messy. We just walked past them. I'm at 7-Eleven and this thing is pissing me off. They keep going on and on. I'm about to get mad as fuck, and then these bitches keep fucking looking at me. I'm about to spaz, y'all. Miss Prosper? Why are you here? That is my friend. She's a senior. So y'all, I just seen my teacher in freaking 7-Eleven. Oh my god. Hi guys, so we're still at 7-Eleven.
Sorry.
It's okay. Guys, we're home. Here's Leah. Kai.
Hi, guys.
Y'all.
Guys, look at my belly piercing. Does it look T?
Look at her tattoo.
My tat. Does it look T?
Yeah, it's T, guys. But yeah. I need to get some stuff off my camera, so hold on.
My girls look so pretty. Period.
Vlog. Guys. I'm so tired. And I was supposed to be up already. So me and Leah could leave the house by like 10:35. Girl. It's 9:56, guys. Leah's not even at my house. Leah didn't do nothing. I did nothing. So we're going later. But I just want to say good morning to y'all because I didn't talk to y'all last night. I don't think I did. Yeah, no, I didn't. I was too tired. Guys, me and Lee are at the beach. Ah! Yes, and we're gonna go be big kids, get on these bounce houses and stuff. I wore long pants. Sorry, guys.
I wore my shorts.
She wore shorts because her people was not letting her get out the house in long pants. We was supposed to match. That was the point, guys.
But my dad was like, he was like, oh, why are you wearing long pants? I'm not letting you leave the house if you wearing long pants. I was like, all right.
Yeah. Bounce house. Yeah. Young. We was getting asked our age by these boys. And we was like, how old they is trying to troll, like, you know? So they talk about stuff, they all 18 and 20. They said 20 or 20, 19 and 20. Oh, 19 and 20. Shut it. We was like, oh no. Cause we can't troll no more, they too old. We would have trolled if they was young, they too old. So they gonna call their homeboy, who over there, and be like, and start talking about us. Like, y'all are messy. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, kid. We so muffy. Bro, guys, the water does feel good. Kind of mad that me and Talia didn't bring no towel. Y'all look. So I'm definitely gonna have to edit this part out. It's so
Would you like something close up and you can take good pictures?
yes, please.
What would you like to see? Oh, we'd start with the ball python? Is he smiling? It's an alligator snapper turtle. This one right here is called a common snapping turtle. Nah, I'm kidding, that's an alligator. You can pet it, you don't have to be scared. They're taped up, they can't bite you. High five! Yeah. They're like little select and maintain. retain the heat. And then if you touch down here, it's like leather, like a belt or shit. Right? Yeah.
It's U.S. Army Ranger, Sergeant First Class, Stevie Trevor! Chris makes a perfect landing!
Look at this one coming. I have my limits. I know my limits.
It's important to have those.
I know my.
Guys, look there.
You wanna try that again?
Hi vlog, I'm home and I found an outfit for Morgan's thing. I'm gonna show you. I'm wearing this shirt with these and my Christian Zetros, whatever they are. But yeah, I'm gonna get in the shower and I'm gonna see y'all when I come back. So yeah, guys. So this the fit. I'm about to go to the thing with Morgan and I'm about to put my towel in the dirty clothes and leave though. Hi guys, so I'm at the restaurant. Well, I'm at Sawgrass. Girl, this girl is really pretty. Oh my god, guys, we made eye contact. Guys, so we're with them. There's Manny, there's Yana, there's Morgan, there's Leah, Jesus Lord, and Maya.
I don't want this.
What is it?
It's like some translation.
No, I'm okay. I was just in here. I'm looking for the lady I was with though. Sawgrass Pandora is pretty.
Yeah, this is cute.
Oh my god, your lens is so close in.
It's like close.
Yeah, yours is close. See?
Where Yana? Yana, check our ring side. Check our ring side. Everyone said you wanted to get like rings.
I think you got the ring. Yeah, you got it. That's what I'm getting. You're getting this one?
So it's like a it's like that blue thing tattoo. Never mind, that wash away. I'm talking about like before you do tattoo. Yeah,
I'm gonna take a picture. Mirror. Guys, look at Leah. Vlog. Let me tell you vlog. Leah hair done, y'all. What finger we putting it on? What size is that? I don't know. Maybe.
all of us saying.
Sick.
All of us saying.
So, who's this dark skinned girl, right? And she was like, oh, you're so pretty. But they gonna get mad at me. She gonna get mad at me if I replace her. You gonna get mad at me? No shit. No, that's my baby. That's my first girlfriend. First girlfriend? You're lying for the camera. I'm not lying. She lying for the camera, y'all. I'm not lying. She lying for the camera. She's my first girlfriend. She lying for the camera. We gotta get into lashes. Lashes too. Look at your phone. Is that yours? Not really. Where's she at? She better be happy. I just spent $85 damn dollars.
Thank you. I appreciate it. 85?
That was a
You don't like it?
I like it.
Anywhere.
Thank you. Alright, y'all ready?
Oh my god. Real nigga shit. Nigga out here recording, man.
That's
Nigga
why I
hot.
want to bring my stand.
Nigga yellow. Let me start cursing. Get my good angle.
Yes, young nigga. Alright, y'all.
Almost, bro.
They can't look at Morgan, but Morgan asked to cut. Can't let our girlfriend get snatched.
This nigga almost took the camera. I swear to God. Yo, Mark. Girl, they see me. Y'all see me walking. For real. They see me
Walk like a
walking.
bad bitch. Go walk like a bad bitch.
Look at Charmaine.
Wait, y'all.
Bitch, all the way back there.
Get the bad bitch. Get the bad
I'm
bitch.
a
walk.
bad bitch.
Get the bad bitch. Walk.
Yes.
Move around these niggas.
Bad bitch walk. Yes. Period. Oh my God. It is, bro. Like,
It should never be this hard. Who? I'm not risking that.
it's hotter than 3 fat hoes on a picnic
I
at
wouldn't
the
risk
beach.
that. It is hard.
3 fat hoes having a picnic on a beach, bruh. That shit crazy, bruh.
It's the fact that I was at the beach today.
Real nigga shit.
Tripping.
Cap.
No, my shit fast.
My shit faster. Like, my shit going on in like 20 minutes.
My shoelaces. Oh my god. I fuck with the shoes. Oh yeah, this is nice.
I feel good as fuck in here. It's just bad.
That was guys, we're all here. Guys, say hi.
Yeah. What was Yana doing? Look at one more. Oh, she gave me a kiss. Y'all see it? Ooh. They finna be like, who kissed you? I'm be like, yeah, that's it. Be like, guys, so we're going to the mall. I'm gonna see how we in the mall when we actually doing stuff. Because we're trying to give each other dares and they kind of they here fun. So, yeah. Walk here and make it feel fun. Do it. You put the camera down. Having stuff friends is low-key a bonus. Y'all, we can use Yana. We can use her. I'm sorry, it sounds so bad. We can use her to make people mad. They just made their girlfriends mad. I just did it for fun. No. I made nobody mad. That's for my girlfriend. Well, not their girlfriends, but you know, like their little situationships type ish.
Big back ass girl.
She's not a mess one, girl. Hi guys, so I made it home. I'm walking in the door right now. Guys, so I'm in my room. I know I told y'all I was home already, but I'm just about to tell you that this is the end of the vlog. I already made an outro earlier, but I don't know if I'm gonna add it in. I may, just to like give y'all 2 outros. I don't know though, but I'm gonna see. Cause right now I'm about to take the pictures and stuff off my camera and like send Manny some of the clips we took on my camera, because like we have the same camera, we uploading the same video, so you know. Yeah, but hers is gonna upload next week, and I think mine's is gonna upload next week as well, because today is the 21st, so I think I'm gonna upload it right before June ends. So I think I'm gonna upload like Friday, maybe Friday. But yeah, I just want to say bye guys, and this is the end of the video, and I love y'all so very much, and thank y'all for watching. If you made it this far, you're goated for real. And make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on all social media platforms. And oh my god, I never showed y'all Miss Mary McIntosh, so I'm about to show y'all Miss Mary McIntosh. This is Miss Mary McIntosh. She is, hold on. Okay, here. This is Miss Mary McIntosh. She is my laptop case. My sister crocheted for me for my MacBook. Y'all, I got a case on it over here. But yeah, I just want to tell you that this is the ending, and I love y'all. I don't think I'm adding that other clip in, but I don't know though. We'll see. But yeah, after I send this stuff to Minnie, I'm gonna go to bed, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. So yeah, bye guys.
I be so sick of you niggas that contradicting. I be so bold myself when you come and fuck me. I feel so ordinary, said when you around me. Treat me like all the right.